Welcome to the Witch's Crypt Files. Believe spells. There are people throughout the world. Some believe in spells while others do not. Performing spells. Many have been performing spells of magic for centuries, believing that they are the way to success, power, money, love, health, anything they want to achieve or improve. Even today, people turn to spells for various reasons when they haven't been able to change their lives on their own. They'll even try to harness the power of magic spells to dissuade their enemies or discourage the attraction of negative people in their lives. Some people believe that magic has more to do with spiritual growth, and some believe it is actually about attaining superpowers. Even so, the most widely held form of casting magic throughout all cultures is through magic spells of one kind or another. If you're considering finding out more about spells of magic to improve your life, first pinpoint your desires. Are you looking for financial stability? Do you want to improve your health, have more energy and physical strength? Do you want to have more control over your circumstances? Are you tired of being mistreated and bullied? Have you been letting negative people influence your life? Do you want an improved love life? The good news is that you'll find spells of magic that are said to treat all of the questions above. The following information will give you a better understanding of a variety of magic spells and their powers. More about spells of magic. Magic spells can be cast for a variety of reasons, both good and bad. Some of them only require conviction, while others require a wide range of ingredients and mantras. Some of these spells of magic are associated with specific religions or cults, and some of them exist for anyone to cast on their own. They have stemmed from early religions, but lately are, for the most part, associated with pagans and the Wicca. The spells they cast range from love spells, which have to do with an extensive range of effects, some of them from making someone jealous, others from sexual or erotic desires. Some call out a person's true feelings and make them show honesty, some commit a person to obsession, and others make one person attracted to another. That is all for this episode of the Witch's Crypt Files. Do come back to see me in the next episode. Merry part.